Louise here from Lucky Night Studio. Today we're going to be diving into a crucial aspect of SEO, finding the right keywords to drive traffic to your website. So whether you're new to SEO or looking to refine your skills, this video will help you break down everything you need to know about selecting keywords that not only resonate with your audience, but also boost your search engine rankings. So let's get started. Let's begin by understanding what keywords are. Keywords are words or phrases that people type into search engines when they're looking for information, products or services. They are the cornerstones of SEO because they link what people are searching for to the content you are providing on your website. The right keywords can act as a bridge between your audience needs and your online content. For instance, if you're a life coach specialising in career advancement, your potential clients might search for terms like career coaching services or professional growth coach. These are the types of keywords you should aim to include in your website content to attract the right audience. But why are keywords so important? In essence, they help determine whether your site will appear in search engine results pages, also known as SERPs. The better you are at selecting relevant and effective keywords, the higher your chances of ranking well, which leads to more visibility and more traffic to your site. So let's break down how to find and choose the best keywords for your website. So first, we need to identify your target audience. Knowing who you are trying to reach is essential for selecting keywords that will effectively drive traffic to your site. Let's dive into how you can pinpoint your target audience and why it's so crucial for your SEO strategy. Your target audience is the specific group of people most likely to need your services or products. These are the individuals who will find the most value in what you offer and are more likely to engage in your content. Identifying your target audience involves understanding their interests, needs, and the language they use when searching online. So if we go back to our example of the life coach specialising in career advancement, your target audience might include professionals seeking career growth, or individuals looking for a career change, or even recent graduates. They are likely to use search terms that reflect their specific career goals or challenges they're facing. Knowing your audience helps you choose words that will resonate with them. For our life coach example, this might be focusing on keywords like career change advice or interview preparation coach. These terms are likely what your target audience will use to find the guidance that you have to offer. Utilising tools like Google Analytics, Answer the Public, social media insights, or even customer surveys to gather information about your audience. Look for patterns in the language they use, the questions they ask, and the content they engage with. This information is invaluable in shaping your keyword strategy. Ultimately, the goal is to align your keywords with the needs and search behaviours of your target audience. This alignment not only improves your site's SEO, but also ensures that the traffic coming to your site is relevant, increasing the likelihood of conversions and engagement. All right, we know who we're talking to, but how do we know what they're searching for? This is where keyword research tools comes into play. These are tools that are essential for uncovering the exact phrases and questions your target audience is using in search engines. Let's explore how you can use tools to find the perfect keywords for your business. For instance, using a tool like Google Keyword Planner, you can type in a broad term like career coaching and discover related keywords such as executive career coaching or career development strategies, or even online career guidance. Once you have a list of potential keywords, the next step is to analyze this data. Look for keywords with high search volume but medium to low competition. These are your sweet spots. Popular enough to drive traffic but not so competitive that you've drowned out by bigger players. For our life coach example, terms like personal development coach for professionals or career transition coaching services might strike the right balance between searchability and competitiveness. Don't forget about long tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases that are increasingly valuable. They may offer lower search volumes, but they often attract a high targeted traffic, which can lead to better conversion rates. In our coaching example, a long tail keyword might be affordable career coaching for recent graduates. It's very specific and directly addresses a particular client group. Now that we've identified our target keywords using research tools, the next vital step is incorporating these keywords into your website. Let's dive into how you can strategically place these keywords to optimize your website for search engines. Incorporating keywords into your site goes beyond just sprinkling them throughout your content. It's about placing them where they have the most impact. This includes your website's title tags, meta descriptions, headings, and throughout the body of your content. For example, if a career transition coaching is a key phrase, ensure it's included in your homepage title and in the first paragraph of your homepage content. But remember, it should feel natural and add value to the reader, not just be there for SEO reasons. Blogging is another powerful way to incorporate keywords. I know it's something that I bang on about all the time, but regular blogging about topics that are relevant to your services or products can include a variety of related keywords. It's a great way of getting those long tail keywords into your website and it's still making sense. In your blog post, you can use keywords in your headings and throughout the content, but always ensure the writing flows naturally. The goal is to provide valuable information to your readers, with keywords enhancing the content's discoverability. SEO is not a set it and forget it task. It requires consistency. Regular updates to your site with fresh content that include your keywords really help. Also, revisit old content to see if there are opportunities to better optimize it with your target keywords. So, having integrated your keywords into your website, the next crucial step is monitoring their performance and keeping up with keyword trends. This is an ongoing process that helps ensure your SEO efforts are paying off and remain effective over time. Let's look into how you can track your keyword performance and stay current with the evolving keyword trends in the SEO landscape. Monitoring your keywords performance is essential to understanding the effectiveness of your SEO strategy. Tools like Google Analytics and platform tools like Squarespace or Shopify or Wix Analytics provide valuable insights into how your keywords are performing in terms of traffic, ranking, and user engagement. For instance, in Google Analytics, you can track which keywords are driving the most traffic to your site and how users are interacting with your content. This data allows you to adjust your strategy, focusing more on what's working and improving the areas that aren't performing as well. SEO and keywords are not static, they evolve. Staying up to date with the latest keyword trends is vital. This means regularly researching your industry, understanding the changing interests in your audience, and adapting your content accordingly. Use tools like Google Trends or Keyword Research Platform to keep up to date with the emerging keywords and topics in your field. A robust SEO strategy involves regularly revisiting and updating your keywords. As your business grows and evolves, so should your keywords. This not only keeps your content fresh and relevant, but also aligns with the latest search engine algorithms and user search behaviors. By continuously monitoring and updating your keyword strategy, you can maintain a strong SEO presence that grows with your business. So let's wrap up. Effective SEO is about more than just attracting traffic. It's about drawing in the right audience and providing them with value. Let's summarize what we've covered. We started with understanding the importance of keywords and how they are the connection between what people search for and the content that you provide. Identifying your target audience is crucial as it informs the kind of keywords that you should choose. Keyword research tools are invaluable in finding the terms and phrases that your potential clients are using, helping you to create content that aligns with their searches. Next, we discussed how to integrate these keywords into your website. This includes placing them into your titles, meta descriptions, and content, and maybe even the alt text for images. Remember, the key is to use them naturally and for them to be relevant. Lastly, we explored the importance of monitoring your keywords performance and staying updated with keyword trends. This ongoing process ensures your SEO strategy remains effective and adjusts with the audience and trends. SEO and keyword optimizations are a dynamic and continuous process. By regularly applying these practices, you can significantly improve your site's visibility and engagement. Keep experimenting and keep learning, and watch as your site climbs the ranks in search engine results. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on SEO. If you have any questions or additional tips on SEO and keyword research, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Or if you're looking for more guidance, we have an SEO course which I'll leave a link for in the description. Thank you.